Welcome to my honest review of Agile CRM, a platform designed to streamline customer relationship management for businesses of all sizes. As we start, you'll see the user-friendly interface, which is one of the first things that stands out about this tool. Upon logging in, you're greeted by a clean dashboard that organizes everything you need to manage your contacts, automate marketing campaigns, and track sales. The navigation is intuitive, and setting up the basics, like adding contacts or creating email templates, is straightforward. Agile CRM offers a variety of features, like lead management, email marketing, and automation workflows. You can import contacts, categorize them into segments, and even integrate with third-party apps to enhance functionality. It's clear that Agile CRM targets small to medium-sized businesses, offering tools that help teams stay organized and maintain strong customer relationships. One feature I found particularly useful is the automation options. With Agile CRM, you can automate your email marketing campaigns and set up workflows that trigger actions based on customer behavior. This can save a lot of time for business owners and marketers. Another strong point of Agile CRM is its pricing. Compared to other CRM platforms, it offers an affordable entry-level plan, making it accessible for startups and smaller businesses. There are also several tiers to choose from, depending on the features you need. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. However, no tool is perfect, and Agile CRM does have some limitations. For instance, the reporting features could be more advanced. While it does provide basic analytics, more in-depth reports and customizable dashboards would be an improvement. Additionally, the user interface can sometimes feel a bit cluttered if you have a large number of contacts or deals to manage. But overall, for the price, Agile CRM offers a lot of value. The mobile app is also worth mentioning. It's handy for accessing your CRM data on the go, but I did notice some occasional glitches that can be frustrating. Despite this, it still serves its purpose, especially for businesses that need to stay connected while traveling or out of the office. In conclusion, Agile CRM is a solid choice for businesses looking for an affordable, easy-to-use CRM solution with robust features like email marketing, automation, and lead management. It's not the most feature-rich CRM out there, but it offers a great balance of usability and cost-effectiveness. If you're considering Agile CRM for your business, I recommend giving it a try with their free plan to see how it fits your needs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more honest reviews and insights on business tools.